What's up guys? So we got ourselves the Blue Yeti microphone, and in this video we will unbox it and then we will compare it with the old mic and also go over some of the settings. And do give us a like and a sub if you enjoyed the video. So right on the very top we have the USB cable and also the instruction manual. And here we have the microphone itself, and it already looks to be mounted on its default stand. So this is the front of the microphone, which has the logo, mute button, and the headphone volume. And this is what the back looks like, which has the pattern and gain settings. And I have to say, this stand is heavy, but it's high quality. So you can use the little knobs on the side to tighten or loosen the mic. I am having a little bit of a trouble with that. So here we have our mini USB cable and the instruction manual, which is very straightforward. So this is the mic I have been using for a while, the Snowball. And as you can see, it's mounted on this adjustable arm stand. And now we're going to switch it up. So this is how I'm going to have it set up for now. Of course, you can have it upside down coming from the top or sides. It's really up to you. So now let's go over some settings and do some testing.
This is currently a blind test, and you do not know which mic I am using. I am now going to switch the microphone, if I can find my mouse. I have just switched the microphone. This was so that you can get an unbiased opinion on how you think they sound. I am still using the Yeti microphone. The first microphone was the Blue Snowball, which I have just switched to. The second microphone, which I just switched back to, was the Yeti microphone. I am unsure as to how you will feel in terms of which one sounds better. I am currently speaking through the Blue Yeti, and we are going to go through all the patterns available for this microphone. There's 4 options on this switch. The first option is stereo, which is what I am currently on. This means that it uses both the left and right channels to capture a wide sound image. This is ideal for recording your acoustic guitar, for example. You should be able to hear me panning on your sound system from side to side as it picks up from the sides rather than from the front in this mode. The second mode is called Omnidirectional Mode. It picks up sound equally from all around the mic. This means that as I spin this, you will still be able to hear me well from any direction. It is best used in situations like recording a band's live performance or a multi-person podcast or conference call where you would want to hear from every direction. The third mode is Cardioid. Cardioid only picks up what's in front of it and not much from the sides. For example, if you are a streamer and only wanted your sound to be recorded, this is the setting. It's the one I use the most as well. Cardioid mode records the sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone, like me, but does not do anything around it. So as I spin the microphone to the back, you will find that once I've turned it around, it will have become much less sensitive and my voice most likely would have almost disappeared. Bidirectional only picks up things in front of it and behind it, but nothing from the sides. This setting is good for recording a 2-person interview where the person interviewing is on this side, for example, and the person who you are interviewing The person who is doing the interview is on this side, and the person you are interviewing is on that side. Okay, now I have switched over to the Blue Snowball. Let's do a proximity test. So, time to eat the microphone. Now I am right on the snowball, and I am speaking as soft as I can, so hopefully you don't go deaf. As you can see, it's pretty good. And now I have switched over to the Blue Yeti. I personally feel the sound is smoother on the Blue Yeti. Of course, you can also edit your sounds using different software. Overall, if you need a microphone that is better than the built-in one on your laptop, or you're just starting out on recording, streaming, or whatever, then the Snowball should be just fine. I can't help but notice it is very windy in this building today. The Blue Yeti, on the other hand, is more flexible and has a lot of different options for different scenarios. It also has a smoother and higher quality sound recording, in my opinion. Hopefully now you have a better idea on what to expect when purchasing either of these two microphones. But on that note, have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed our video.